What is up, guys? My name is Theo, and today we're talking about film simulations on the Fuji system, specifically for video, and how to kind of use them as a way of like budget color grading your footage. Let's get right into it. So when it comes to video, you generally want to be shooting at about as flat as a profile as possible. That's going to give you way more control over color in post when it comes to grading your footage and getting it exactly how you want it for a specific look for each setting. But if you're editing on a budget, meaning you're not really using those expensive, really very powerful computers that can run those very powerful, expensive programs that allow you that control over your video when it comes to color, then you're kind of limited on some of the budget editing programs that don't really give you that same kind of control over your footage, which is kind of the situation I found myself in starting out on YouTube. So if you happen to be shooting on a Fuji camera, the built-in film simulations that really give you some options as far as color for your videos to really kind of mix it up and spice up your footage, to really separate your scenes from, say, like a vlogging session like this, where you're talking to the camera, to maybe some B-roll of downtown Denver. You really have a way of separating your footage so it's just not all one color profile. Now, you're essentially getting your color right in camera, which essentially can be considered a very lazy way to shoot. And again, it's not really the most professional way to do it. It doesn't work for every situation, especially when you need to change something up. You don't really have that kind of control anymore because everything is baked into your footage. So again, keep that in mind. This is kind of just a very situational setup for when you are editing on a budget and you don't have that kind of control over color. So with that said, I'm going to throw some coins in this meter and get some B-roll of downtown Denver and some different profiles to really kind of give you an example. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, that about wraps it up. Let me know what you guys think. Which one was your favorite? I did shoot each B-roll sequence in the Velvia, Astia, and Classic Chrome, and I'm shooting currently on the standard profile. I shot both talking sessions in that standard profile. So let me know which one is your favorite. Comment down below. If you guys enjoyed the video and you guys are feeling like being an amazing human being, hit that like button. It is much appreciated. And subscribe for more XT20 content. I do post once a week, either about this camera or what I've shot with it. And I will see you guys later.